Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the identifiers that unlock records: VIN, registration number, and dealer name. Once done, check the physical service book and receipts for stamped dates. These speed verification. Make sure you have access to your email and phone for OTPs, and create a Maruti online ID if you don't already have one. This step matters because the system links records to these exact identifiers. Without them, retrieval will be slower and may require dealer intervention. Next, log into My Maruti or the official Maruti portal and enter the VIN and registration. You will get an OTP, verify it, then request the service history report or download the PDF. Once downloaded, scan entries for gaps and match stamps to receipts you gathered earlier. If certain services are missing, note exact dates and dealer names. This prepares you to escalate. This step is crucial because most discrepancies are clerical and resolved faster when you present precise. To finish, contact the servicing dealer with your evidence and ask them to update records. Make sure you send scanned receipts and the stamped service book images. Once done, recheck the portal to confirm entries appear. If the dealer delays, escalate to Maruti Assist using the VIN, photos, and transaction proof. They can force updates. A key troubleshooting tip: if entries still don't show, create a dated email thread as proof. This both documents your effort and speeds formal corrections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.